everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with the reveal and card inspiration for our card kit Cool Summer. I'll start you off with the stamp set. This is a 6x8 stamp set and it's called One Cool Pineapple. With the 6x8 stamps, we are able to give you larger images, so this one features several sentiments with creative puns in Christina Werner's handwriting and also some really fun summer imagery. To continue with our cool summer theme, we have some Amy Tangerine, Sunshine, and Good Times, and these are mini icons puffy stickers. The icons include travel, eating, fruits, cactus, butterflies, birds, you name it, it has everything for summer. To go along with the puffy stickers, we also have Amy Tangerine's Sunshine and Good Times sticker book. So there are 8 sheets full of summer-related images and also some really great messages. These stickers are transparent, so the outer edge of the stickers don't show when you're putting them onto colored cardstock. Also, some of the images have a gold, almost holographic shine to them. So these are really great to put together with the stamps and also the papers. We have created a flamingo die for this card kit, and it also has embossing lines around the wing and the beak, and it goes perfectly with the flamingo from the stamp set. Another fun item that we've included in the kit is Summer Gold Sequins, and these are by Simon Says Stamp, and these have a really beautiful reflective yellow color, perfect for these summer cards. The 6x6 papers this month come from Cartabella, and there are 12 double-sided sheets. These are called Summer Splash, and they are all very much summer related. The front side has the larger imagery, and the back side has some of the background papers that you might use, such as waves and repeated images. The patterns are all brightly colored, and there's such a variety, they'll go perfectly with the stamps. Some of them give you an overhead look, and even this one is my favorite, with pools and streets as though it was taken from an airplane. I also like the ones I can cut up and use as my own ephemera. These have a really fun retro feel to them, and the colors reflect that like a 60s beach party. So once again, those are 12 sheets, double-sided from Cartabella, and this is their Summer Splash edition, 6x6 papers. We've also included a 4x6 Sizzix white foam adhesive, and you can use that to mount a panel to your card for added dimension. We've also included 3 of the Simon Says Stamp 120-pound pre-scored note cards. These are ready to go for your card making. We're also introducing a new pink glitter cardstock. This is 6x6, and it's also available in our store for individual purchase. And we're also including a dull pink envelope, and this matches our dull pink cardstock perfectly. For our 8.5 by 11 cardstocks, we have dull pink, bright yellow, green leaf, and island blue. I have some inspiration to share with you. I've created this card using the You Bring the Sunshine sentiment that I've paired with the sun and also ocean waves background, some of the stickers, and also some summer gold sequins. Nina Trapani created this card using the wood background and also the Amy Tangerine stickers to create an arrangement with the cactus, flowers, and also some butterflies. And the last inspiration is from Susie Plantamera, where she's white embossed her sentiment and then stamped and die cut 3 of the flamingos to go towards the bottom. I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough reveal and inspiration of our cool summer card kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.